Hello, my name is Famin Aliza from Group Python, and right now I'm going to present about our group project, our group context diagram for IATN system. So, what is a context diagram? A context diagram is a visual representation between data and business process. It has several components, which is process, data flow, data storage, and external entity. And you can see here the shape uh, for for each component. So moving on to the next slide, this is the context diagram for our group, which is IT system. So you can see there are three external entity, which is faculty, admin, department, and staff. It has and it has data flow, which is connect to uh, process system process, which is I-10. You can see here the relation between uh, system process and external entity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, next I'm Arbillah bin Abdullah. We'll go through to discuss about diagram 0 for I-10 system. Firstly, I want to explain about a data flow diagram. For contact diagram before, that only show a basic overview of the whole system or process being analyzed. But for diagram 0, we'll show more process details about the system. Data flow diagram have a number level like diagram 0, 1 or 2. High level for data flow diagram is means more details process will be shown. Okay, let's see that picture. Today I only tell I only to explain about step 1 until step 3. For another step, my friend will continue at the next presentation. So the diagram 0 for IIT system is starts by registration by staff. So the first process is register. When the staff register the IT for IT system, the data will be saved at staff data storage, and the data will send to admin for submit to admin, and admin will be verify the submission. When the verify is done, uh, admin go to step 3, send a profile, make a profile or menu for the staff use. So, for step 4, my friend we will continue later. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shivaram. My metric number is F1131. So I will be explaining from the process 4 to 7. For the process 4 until 7, it will start again with the staff. When staff check in for attend, the data will be recorded at the same place for the staff data. After that, attendance report will send to the admin who is responsible for the system. And then the admin will save the log record in place faculty data and spread the schedule attendance record data to each faculty. So for the first is process 4, and then staff will be check in their attendance, and the system will be record, which is known as process 5, and then the report will be sent to the admin. The admin will be update the log record, which is process 6, and then the schedule data will be saved in faculty store, and then produce unit list, which is process 7, will be happen, and then the unit list will be stored in faculty. And For the conclusion, the context diagram is a graphical presentation of a system which must only use on one process to present the entire system and deliberately does not go into defining all the process helps to prevent people getting confused seeing complex details at the early stage. There are only three symbols: use circle, rectangle, and arrow. A data flow diagram is much more complex presentation of a context diagram. It shows the further level of details which is not shown in context diagram. Data flow diagram represent a multiple information system as a number of a process that together from single system. It shows the process, input, output, and storage. Moreover, data flow diagram become more detailed as the level increase or tend to focus on extending the process rather than the entire system. That's all from us. Thank you.